The global supply chain relies on the efficient movement of goods around the world. Containers play a vital role in this process, but managing them can be complex. Traditionally, container identification has been a manual process, which is slow and error-prone. This can lead to delays and disruptions in the supply chain. Visive AI has developed and introduced container number recognition system, which takes up live camera feeds and extracts container numbers from the containers, which eases and speeds up recognizing process. Container number recognition system is an innovative AI system that can automatically read container numbers. Container number recognition system uses cameras mounted on cranes and other equipment to capture images of containers. The system then uses advanced image recognition software to extract the container number from the image. Container number recognition system offers a number of benefits, including improved accuracy. Container number recognition system can read container numbers with a high degree of accuracy, even in challenging conditions. Increased efficiency. By automating container identification, container number recognition system can help to improve the speed and efficiency of port operations. Reduced costs. Container number recognition system can help to reduce labor costs associated with manual container identification. Container number recognition system is a game changer for the shipping industry. By automating container identification and pairing it with automatic number plate recognition, ANPR, it can help improve the efficiency, accuracy, and cost-effectiveness of global supply chains. Together, these systems ensure a smoother flow of goods across the world, providing complete visibility by tracking both the container and its transport vehicle, much like how ANPR enhances data collection for law enforcement. Container number recognition system is more than just reading numbers. It's about transforming the entire container management process. With increased speed, accuracy, and real-time data, container number recognition system is paving the way for a more efficient and connected logistics future. Stay tuned for more videos on cutting-edge technologies in the shipping industry.